You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate your presence in my channel, and I appreciate every new subscriber in my channel. In this channel we do homemaking videos, we do lots of recipes and also vlogs here and there. So if that is the kind of content that you love watching, please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed. And if you are here, that is the kind of content that we do. So in my previous video I had said that my fridge just went silent. I don't know what happened to it, so I decided to go and get a new fridge because at some point it's so hard to be cooking every now and then. You know, I was used to, when I cook excess food, I just keep the food and we will be eating the food later without having to struggle to keep cooking every now and then. So there's a fridge that I got. First of all, I went to Ramptons and I looked around. I went to 2 branches. I looked around and I did not want to settle for just that place. I decided to go to Carrefour. And I was lucky enough to get the fridge that I really needed because that fridge is spacious. It can serve us. My initial fridge was very tiny, and I'm glad that I got this one. This one was on offer. At Ramptons, the prices were a bit high, but when I went to Carrefour, it was only one fridge that was remaining that was on offer. At Ramptons, they were a bit high, but at Carrefour, they were a bit low. So I just decided to pick it and came with it, and I love the fridge. This is how the fridge looks like. It's it's so spacious. I just love it. So decided to also shop for our monthly needs. I also got some things. So this is what I got. Let me do it let me do this haul real quick. So I got this. I went to Food Plus. Food Plus normally have a lot of offers, and I love going to Food Plus. So I got this. This was on offer. It was around 625, and I'm glad I got it because it's 36 pieces. It's pants. Yeah, so that is what I got. I also got some tissues. These are paper and hand towels. Yeah, these are hand towels. I also got the Magnitant Powerful Antibacterial Formula. This is Magni. I think I'll be using it on my floors. Yeah, while mopping, I'll be using this one. So I got that. There was also good offers on tissues. I also got this tissue at 300 and I think 40 something. Yeah, and it was a good offer. It's a good quality tissue in as much as it was on offer. So I got 2 pieces of the tissues. Here is another piece, so I got that. I also got some wipes, of course. I also got some Geisha black soap. We love using Geisha black soap. It's so gentle on our skin. So that is what I normally buy. If I buy these 3, it will run for a month, even plus, trust me. So that's what I got. I also got a Sufficient Toilet Cleaner. This is just magic and I love it. I also got some hand liquid. I just went for the cheapest. I don't have a specific brand for hand liquid. I just get whatever that is cheaper. So I got this. And I also got for dishes. Sometimes I tend to forget, so I got this extra one. I also got this Aramis for the children. I got some cling film. I got some Ziploc bags. Now that the fridge is there, I can use to store foods in the fridge, just to create lots of space. I got some snacks, already eaten some. I normally get my sausages from Meat Commission, but today I just got them from the supermarket. I was too tired to go to Meat Commission, so I got these ones, safari beef sausages. I've never tried safari beef sausages. Then I got some chickpeas. Chickpeas are my favorite legumes. Among all legumes, chickpeas are just so good. So I got a pack of chickpeas. I also got some sachets of Cerelac, of course, for the kids. Tomato paste. I got some corn. I love corn. I got some sweet corn. And I got this juice. I don't know, I've not tested this flavor, but I'm yet to test it. So I got the Orchid Valley. It's 100 fruit and veggie juice. I want to try and just see how it tastes. I also got these Santops, a lot of them to include in the kids' snacks as they go to school. So I really got a lot of them. Also got some natural yogurt. Yeah, got some natural yogurt. I also got some cooking oil. I still have a lot of cooking oil, but it's good to just restock. I got the Sun Gold Light. It was a bit cheap. I think 600 and something. It's 2 liters. The juices still. This butter, I think you have seen when I was passing through the supermarket. This was on offer, and initially it was 500. This is unsalted. Initially it was 500. Now it's around 3 something, 3.99. Not bad. I think that is the initial price. Then some natural yogurt as just a snack. I got these. I can substitute for butter when I want to bake, or just as a spread. Some tomato sauce on offer as well, so I got it. Anything offer, we just go for it. And then this is just some yogurt. Of course, I passed through the market and I got some dania, cilantro, and I also got lots of bananas. We love bananas, so I always make sure I stock on bananas. I love plantain. Like, I'm so obsessed with plantain, so I got a lot of them. I'll be baking them. This time I'm not frying them, so I'll be baking them. Then I got some tomatoes. These are tomatoes. Still have more tomatoes and onions, and also some garlic. They're in there. Of course, I love spring onions, so I got some spring onions as well. I also got still snacks, mushroom. Obsessed. I never miss passing through the mushroom section. Like, it's always calling me. So I got the button mushroom. I got the white ones. It depends on what I want. So today I got the white ones. I also got some broccoli. I love broccoli. It's just a quick fix when it comes to veggies. So I got their broccoli, lots and lots of pieces of broccolis. For laundry, I will always go for this. So I went for this. It's machine wash, it stores, and this saves a lot. So this takes me a whole month, even plus a month. So I also got that. Restocked on fresh milk. Yeah, for the entire week. So I got like 4 liters. These are lamb chops. Yeah, I got these lamb chops from a place in Westlands. It's a Muslim shop. Yeah, I got it from there. So I'll be making this for dinner. They are lamb chops.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you.
I want to prepare these lamb chops for dinner, and this is how I'm going to section them. Already the guy who sold them to me had tried to section them, so I'm only just going to cut through them and then I'll be marinating them.
Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
I'm going to use a little bit of oil. I'm also going to use some cardamom powder. I'm using some cumin powder and also some curry powder and a little bit of salt. I'm going to massage them just a little bit. I could have stored in the fridge, but I decided just to make them instantly. So I'm going to mix them after adding the salt, and then I'll pan fry them a little bit before I can bake them.
All your love, give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love.
Not all dishes need spices, so I'm not going to load so much spices on these lamb chops. I'm going to add a little bit of fenugreek powder in my oil just to infuse the oil, and then bring in the lamb chops, stir fry them a little bit until they get a crispy taste on them, and then I'm going to transfer them on the foil, cover them, and then I'll be baking them for like let's say 40 to 50 minutes. You know, lamb chops are very tender. They don't require much. That is why they don't take long to cook.
You added colors like the moon needs the sun. We don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me
To enhance the flavors of the lamb chops, I'm going to add a little bit of minced garlic. I'm also going to sprinkle in some red onions that I've chopped. I'm also going to add in some coriander root, also the spring onion root. They really give a lot and amazing flavors into this meat, so that is why I'm including them.
my world
I'm also going to include some sweet corn in this dish, and what I'm going to do with them, I'm going to section them just the way I'm sectioning them, and then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, some oil, and then I'll be baking them in my oven. And then a little bit later, after everything is done, I will also be baking some potatoes.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You say
This is a mixture of butter and also some garlic that I did put in the microwave until it did melt along with the garlic. So I'm going to sprinkle it on the lamb chops and also on the corn. And then I'm going now to bake the potatoes, and then we'll serve the meals.
what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay